waiting for the rest of my shipment to come before making this video, but I'm like, you know what? If they're saying it's not gonna come till like sometime between December 10 to 13, might as well just film this part of the video now, and then when the rest of it arrives, then I can just add it to this video. So today will be December 6, 2020 at the time I'm doing this. Now let's cut into this. Now if the USB-C to 3.0 adapters are inside of this, I'm gonna test them on this handy device here, which happens to be the Microsoft Lumia 950 XL. So let's keep them to the side there. And I see the AAOTOKK. That is quite a name. So that means we're gonna have to use the BlackBerry Passport to do this testing. Okay, so that is interesting. So let me make sure that he is ready to go. Okay, which background should I use? Let's use that one. So yeah, how do you like this tree background? Looks nice? Yeah, I think it looks nice. Okay, so this guy will have to come out to the picture for a moment. And are you serious? That's it? That's it. So everything else, the microSD card, the clothes, and the USB-C to 3.0, it looks like they're all gonna be in the same package. Wow, man. Well, okay. Something's better than nothing. So instead, I guess we're just gonna test the mice with this thing right now. Let's see how it does. Although honestly, I think I should demonstrate it with some clicking games. And maybe go over to the internet and see, because this isn't exactly the best way to do it. So actually, wait, I wonder if I can use gestures with the mouse. So you know, yeah, I'm actually gonna try that. First, we need to, what should I use? Should I use the silver one or should I use the black? Actually, seeing as though this phone is white, it makes sense to just use the silver one. And I'm gonna test both of them to make sure that they both work. Although I'm pretty sure that if only one of them works, I'm probably gonna have to send back both anyway, which is dumb. Or at least I hope not. And as you can see, oh, they're actually made of real metal. See, listen to that. That's metal, guys. Metal. Nice. Okay. So now, I'm gonna take this Dell mouse, take out this thing, put this back together. I'm not sure if I should turn it on right now or if I should turn it on after I plug it in. I don't know. Actually, let me turn it on right now. Okay. You can see this is working, of course. Now, to stick this in, make sure that this works. Okay, so here we go. And in you go. Am I doing this right now? Yeah, actually, okay, that's supposed to go in that way. USB inserted. Okay, so that's a good sign. Oh, you see it? Do you see the cursor? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. All right, so okay, how is this looking on? All right, so this thing is looking very washed out. So let me put the focus on the Passport. I should put it on a platform so you can see a lot closer because it looks really zoomed out from here. But yeah, you get the point. You can go to this December holidays thing. Hopefully it actually loads. Come on, load. Right. So you can see that I'm even using this. Let's click on one of these images. Let's click on Boxing Day. Oh, would you rather see me play some games? Actually, no, yeah, let's play some games. This is boring. Oh, cool. I didn't know you can use the mouse to also swipe like that. That's nice. All right, so which game should we play? Classical Snake, because why not? Probably the easiest way to demonstrate this. Actually, okay, let me set the focus again. And we will... wait, I have to enter my nickname before playing. What if I don't want to do that? Nickname is required. Oh, and they say it 3 times too, so it's like I have to put in a nickname. Gee. Well, okay then. Alright, so that's my nickname. This is really, really zoomed in. You know what? Let me... is there anything nearby that I can use? Alright, yeah, we'll just Use one of these dishes with some ancient food inside of them. All right. Oh, there. That is so much. Oh, okay, now there's glare though. I'm just gonna have to put it over to the side. I know it looks a little bit weird. You probably want to see it centered, but if I put it in the center, then there's gonna be that. So yeah, it's just gonna have to stay over here. Now let's play. Okay, I don't really like the soundtrack, so we're gonna mute it. Are you kidding me? Why is nothing happening? Okay, there's only one conclusion I can come to, and that's that this game is not click-friendly. No, it's not, so never mind. Anyways, rather than wasting time on that... Actually, wait, hold on, let me go back here. Can I exit the application by... Okay, so now, as you can see, once you're in an app... Oh, okay, I can't... Oh, wait, so in order to do it, I have to... There we go. So that's how you do it on BlackBerry 10. Right, so back to Boxing Day. And, yeah, let's test the other one now. Because we want to make sure that they both work, right? Well, that was in there really tight. Right. Now for this one. Okay. And now, let us push this in. Okay. USB inserted. I like how it recognizes it so quick. In fact, I think it recognizes it faster than some of my USB-C devices, oddly. So that's good. Will it last long in the long term? I don't know. Wait, what happened? What's going on here? Oh, there it is. Okay, so let's go to Christmas Day. Oh, speaking of that, that means Christmas is going to be exactly 19 days from now at the time I'm recording this. Isn't that interesting? Christmas, come on. Click on, oh, it's right there. All right, let's go to images. And, okay, I think that's enough for this testing because I still have other parts that I'm going to add to the video, so I do not want to make a simple USB test too long. More to come very soon. December 8th, 2020, another packages arrived from Amazon. And just from the looks and feels of this, it looks like this one's going to be more USB to USB 3.0 adapters. That's exactly what it feels like. And, oh no, it's the MicroSD card. Sweet, look at that. 512 gigabytes, yes. Yes, oh yes. Oh, hey, what is this? See something. Remove to expose adhesive. Why did I guess that? And yeah, the Nonda. Will I be testing that? Yes, I'm going to test it because how else will I know if it works or not? Seriously, I have to test it, you know. So, in order to test it, I will need to obviously grab a USB-C device and put it to use. So let's fire up Google Chrome here. Let's go to, yeah, I know you're not seeing on the screen right now, but you will in just a bit. Give a moment here. Okay, you want to see what I'm doing now, so here we go. And there's going to be quite a bit of glare because it's just there. So I'll rest this down now, and I will grab a mouse. Yes, I typically like to use mice to test these because they just work well. And I'm going to use the red one because it's so fancy and pretty. Alright. Not the most interesting thing to watch, but you know what? It's actually extremely important for me, and for you too, because if these have a high failure rate, then I wouldn't recommend buying these. So you can see this in silver. Wow, that looks really nice in silver. Really, really nice. Very stylish. Okay, so first things first, what we need to do is we need to turn this. Actually, I'm gonna use this hand so you can see the light come on. Like that. You saw that glow. actually, no, okay, I have to put this back together properly or you're not going to get to see the clicks. Okay. Okay, looks like I have a little bit of a dilemma here because this thing will not fit with this 2D case, or will it? Oh, let me try harder. No. Great, man, I hate that. So, okay, if you have a 2D case with your Razer Phone 2, you're gonna have to strip it first, which is really annoying. I was hoping that it would just work as it is, but no! It just has to be difficult. So that's a little bit of an inconvenience, man, darn. And I have to type in my password again. Actually, or did I really have to do that? I don't know. Okay, so we're back. I can't believe I did that just so I could demonstrate this, but you know what? It's important. I had to. I really had to. We need to make sure that this works, yo. Okay, is this even working or is this... Oh yeah, I didn't have to go so hard. Can you see the cursor? Yes, you can. So let's type something. Let's type in www. Actually, I'm not even gonna say it. You need to see what it is. It's very obvious. Not the most exciting website, but whatever. Okay, I need to get the camera to focus on that screen because you're not gonna really be seeing anything now. It's too bad they don't have any games you can look at. Yeah, I guess I could play some videos or something. You look at the images. Okay. So that's that one. Let's take this out. Now let's test the other one. Yes, it works. You get the point. Now, all I'll need to do is test this off camera, make sure it's legit, make sure that it works and all, because I am thinking of actually probably putting this instead of this. I mean, I could also put it inside the 950 XL, but this guy does 4K 60 FPS, whereas the 950 XL does not. So therefore, I'm not exactly... Well, I don't know, maybe in the future I might get a 512GB card for it, but for now, it's not going to be a priority. I think I actually want to get one for my Black. You know, maybe I should get a 512GB microSD card for all my microSD capable devices, which should pretty much be everything in my collection, with the exception of the iPhones, because I don't know why Apple has to be dumb like that and not decide to include microSD card slots. Instead, they're taking things away, and I'm hearing a rumor at this point that they might even take away their USB port. Wow! So, I don't know what to say. That's a topic for another video, I guess. So I'll just wait for the remainder of this order to come, and you will see it then. But for now, at last. So the final shipment for my December 2020 Amazon unboxing has arrived. Now, if you've seen the earlier parts of the video, you should obviously know what I have unboxed, unless for some very strange reason you just skipped right ahead. And earlier I unboxed some AAOTOKK, which is micro USB to USB 3.0, 512GB microSD card, which is 4K capable, and then USB-C to 3.0, these silver Nondas. So I'll just take these out to the frame. We can cut in. Actually, I don't even need this because this is a very awkward tool to use. Like super awkward. What am I gonna do? Just do this, I guess? And then you see that's very awkward, but whatever. It worked. Right? And voila. Okay, online they made this look like a much brighter yellow. This looks more like, I don't know, mustard, honey, gold even. But whatever, it still looks nice. I just thought it'd be a lot brighter. Let's see, like, do I have something comparable? What can I use for something comparable? I don't really have a ton of yellow things around here, you know. Actually, you know what? Yes, I guess the closest thing to compare it to would be... I'm gonna show my own knife, but... Actually, yeah, I was expecting it to be something more like this, but maybe just a bit brighter. Let me take it out to the light so it doesn't glare so much. And instead, it looks just like this. So you see the contrast? Okay, if I just have something brighter to compare it to, it should be that. Okay, yeah, here we go. This pencil, yes. This, I expected it to look more like this, just bright yellow. So you compare it with this, then you compare it with this, and you can see the differences. Is it a big deal? It depends on who you are. For me, I'm just glad to have them. Wasn't overly concerned about the color. Brighter yellow would have been nice, yes, but okay, they're here. Would have been better if they just let you get a pack with 2 yellows, but for some reason, I guess the warehouse has way too much of this gray color in the house. So what they do is that they combine it with one of this gray heather and then one of another color. Some of the colors you can get 2 of the same color in the packs. Like I believe that blue, I think for purple, for pink. But if you want something like green or something like yellow, you have to get this and this. So if you want like 2 yellows, then you have to basically get 2 of this. Not a big deal. Actually, well, maybe for some people it might see it as a big deal because some people might really hate this color. I personally do not. But as I say, I would have preferred to just get 2 yellows rather than have to buy 2 just to get 2 yellows, like 2 packages. Okay, so they're looking good. Is it a tear? No. Have to look out for things like that, you know. So if there is a tear, if there's something wrong with it, I can just be like, ha, yes, see the proof. Okay, is it just me or does this pocket look smaller than the other ones? Or is it about the same? I really don't know, actually. I don't even know if I could fit a Blackberry passport in this. Could I? Should I? Would I? You know what, now that I say it, I guess I have to, eh? Yeah, I do. Okay, so, oh yeah, it fits. It's a tight fit, but it fits. Look at that. Okay. Well. Oh yes. Made in Vietnam. Do you care about that? Yeah. Because you're Vietnamese, that's why you care. Or are you Vietnamese? If so, comment and let me know that you've seen this part where I asked you if you are Vietnamese or not. Though to be honest, I do not expect to have a large Vietnamese audience because for one, I am Canadian and I speak in English. It would be one thing if I were Canadian and I spoke in Vietnamese, but I do not because I do not know that language. And to be honest with you, I have no plans on ever learning it. Not because I hate the people or anything, but I've just never had a desire to learn that particular language. Anyways, so that does it for this video. The clothes, the USB-C to 3.0, the micro USB to 3.0, this card slot, all of which I'll provide direct links to below if you are in Canada. But for other countries, you know the drill already. Just search the name for these products, enter in your locale, and you should be able to find them. If not, they'll usually offer you a close enough approximate. But just make sure the approximate is actually equally as good in terms of sheer quality and reliability before you make a purchase. This product, I've used it, and it is good. These, I have used them. So far, so good. I do not know the long-term reliability. These, I've used them a fair bit, and so far, it's good. I mean, I don't know if it's going to hold up a year from now. I hope so. These shirts, yes, they also wash well. I mean, I haven't tested this color yet, but I've tested the purple, I've tested the pink. Now, that does it for this video.